The appointment scheduler links the features of Healthquest together. You can create, track and review appointments, access a client's chart, print labels, bill, and a variety of other functions. To book an appointment for a client, open the appointment scheduler by clicking the Appoints button. The appointment scheduler will open to today's date. Select a practitioner and a date for the appointment. Right-click the date field and a calendar will appear. Double-click on a day or click the Today button. You can also use the week tabs to jump forwards or backwards in the schedule up to 4 weeks at a time. In the Lookup field, enter a client's name, PHN, or chart number, and then press Enter. Choose the client from the list. The client will be loaded into the shuttle bay. To place the appointment, left-click on the client in the shuttle bay, hold down the mouse button and drag the client onto a slot in the appointment scheduler. The appointment details window will appear. Adjust the time required as necessary. Choose an appointment type. Select first visit or checkup as required. Choose a status for the appointment. By default, the appointment will be set to booked. Enter notes as needed. The top notes field will be displayed beside the appointment type in the schedule. Click OK. The appointment will be placed in the appointment scheduler and color-coded depending on what appointment status you chose. Green designates an appointment that has been booked. Yellow means that the client has arrived at the office. Gray denotes the client has been escorted to a room. Blue means the client has left the clinic. Orange designates that an appointment has been canceled. Red means the client has missed their appointment. Let's open the appointment details again and go over the buttons and features accessible there. If you double-click on the chart number field, you will be taken to the client entry editing window. Open the appointment scheduler again. The previous appointment details will be displayed. By clicking the Delete button, you will delete the appointment from the appointment scheduler. The Cancel button closes the appointment details window and cancels any changes you have made. The Work List button opens the Client Work List screen. The Payment button opens the Payment Entry window. Clicking on the Rebook button will place the client's name back in the shuttle bay, ready to be booked for the next appointment. The Bill AHC button will open the AHC Claim Entry window. The Bill Other button opens the Invoice Entry window for either third-party or direct-to-patient billing. The Print button opens the Print dialog box. The Info button opens an extension on the Appointment Details window, displaying the client demographics as well as appointment history. The Charting button opens the Charting window. Clicking the Letters button opens the Client Letters window. Healthquest has the ability to book multiple appointments and to carry forward appointment information into those appointments. Right-click on an appointment to view the details. Press and hold the Control key and click the Rebook button. 3 calendars will appear from which you can select dates from the next 3 months. Select the desired appointment dates along with which appointment details you wish to carry into the new appointments. Click Done. Let's check out the appointments we rebooked. Now let's go through some of the other features in the appointment scheduler. Click the Print button. This will open the Print Daysheet window. In this window you can print daysheets for the current calendar, multiple practitioners' schedules, or billing statistics. The Weekday button switches the appointment scheduler to display either the entire week or the selected day. The Holds button displays the number of clients that are in the holding tank. Clicking on the Holds button will open the holding tank window, and clicking it again will close the window. The Wait button displays clients that are in the waiting list. You can place a client in the wait list by dragging them from the shuttle bay into the wait list window. Select a practitioner and preferred date and time for the appointment. Click OK. Fill in appointment details as necessary and then click the OK button. The client now appears in the waiting list. Click the Close button. The Book button will open the Appointment Book, Hard or Soft Bookings window. Select the type of booking, select a description, the start date and end date, and the start time and end times for the booking. Click Apply and then OK. The default button allows you to create or remove soft bookings on the appointment schedule. By using this button, you can place multiple bookings on one day that do not necessarily fall in succession. Click the Find button to search for open appointment slots based on practitioner name, appointment type, time, and date range. Double-click a time to jump directly to that day on the schedule. The Template button will open the Appointment Template dialog box. By using this feature, you will create, edit, and apply templates to the current schedule. Use the Save button to save the placement and size of the windows in the appointment scheduler. Click the Stats button to display appointment statistics based on the appointment status and type. Click the View All button to open the All Schedules window. This report will show the number of clients per hour that each practitioner can book for the selected day. Double-click on a square and the appointment scheduler will jump to the practitioner's schedule on the date selected. The Family button will display any contact or parent relations assigned to the client currently loaded in the shuttle bay. This will allow you to drag and drop relatives of the client into the appointment scheduler to create appointments.